The only thing certain in life is uncertainty. So, what should you do? Waiting forever for the power to come back on? No problem, we've got you covered. Prepare yourself for unexpected emergencies. Stay connected and safe during unforeseen circumstances. Living off-grid with AC200 enables you to power computers, phones, refrigerators, and more. Producing 2,000 watts of continuous power with a huge 1,700 watt-hour capacity. Capable of powering a wide range of devices and appliances with multiple port options, allowing you to power up to 17 devices simultaneously. Keep your food fresh and cool during prolonged power outages. Bluetti AC200 is a cleaner and quieter generator than fossil-fueled alternatives. Be ready for any kind of power outage or emergency. With 5 different ways to recharge your AC200. Efficient solar charging combined with the built-in MPPT controller is fantastic for outdoor activities. Be fully charged in just 3.5 hours by connecting a 700-watt solar panel. Utilizing LG premium electric vehicle-grade battery cells and an advanced battery management system to protect against overcharging, overcurrent, short-circuiting, and overheated. Your safety is paramount while using the AC200. The built-in touch display allows you to fine-tune your power requirements. Perfect for camping, travel, or anywhere that power is required. Be the life of the party at the barbecue or tailgate gathering. Oops, low battery. Relax, you have Bluetti Power Station. The AC200 works as an emergency backup for electric vehicles, delivering up to 11 extra miles on a single charge. The AC200 will automatically power down when the output is lower than 50 watts for 4 hours. The 2,000-watt output across multiple outlets gives you more access to blenders, pellet smokers, ice shavers, radios, and even projectors. No need for noisy gas-powered generators. Power outages can be disastrous for families who rely on medical devices such as CPAP machines or medical fridge. Keep quiet throughout the night with a temperature-activated cooling fan, remaining silent up to 45 degrees, allowing you to enjoy a quiet and peaceful night's sleep.
Oh, look! What a strange device with a sleeping dolphin inside. Meet Flipper Zero. At first sight, it looks like a cute Tamagotchi, but actually, it's a multi-tool for hackers. Flipper can handle various radio protocols, access control systems, and directly interact with hardware. Flipper has its own personality. It grows while you hack stuff around and gets angry when you don't. Built-in sub-1 GHz module can both transmit and receive signals on most IoT frequencies. It can control lots of wireless devices like garage doors and barriers, radio switches, and even more. For detecting unknown remotes, Flipper has a signal scanner that can analyze and save signals. Flipper Zero supports RFID and iButton tags. No more need to keep all your office and building keys. Flipper can store hundreds of RFID cards and contact keys in its memory. Just select one you need from the menu to emulate it. Flipper also helps to protect your ass, acting as U2F security token for two-factor authentication. It works with any U2F-enabled services like Gmail, Dropbox, Facebook, and others. Tired of boring stuff on public TVs? Well, now you can fix it. With an infrared eye, Flipper can simulate any infrared remote. Built-in library of popular brands remotes gives you instant control of any situation. Since Flipper's brain is open source, you can write your own plugins with full access to built-in hardware. Just use your favorite environment, such as Arduino IDE or VS Code. No drivers required on all platforms. To give you even more power, Flipper has programmable GPIO pins, so you can connect it directly to any hardware, as well as extend it with modules. Flipper can act as a virtual keyboard device to do some fun stuff. You could write your own payloads and then play them on a target computer. Well, we don't need to explain what you can do with this feature. And of course, Flipper Zero has its own revolutionary blockchain platform, and we call it Flipcoin. Just kidding. Flipper is for real. No bullshit in this project. In its core, Flipper Zero is a versatile tool for everyday hacking on the go and learning new stuff along with your cyber friend that will never let you down.